Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to beat the heat without the hassle of bulky AC units or expensive installations, you're in the right place. Today, we're counting down the top 5 best portable air conditioners that deliver serious cooling power while being compact, efficient, and easy to move around. Whether you're cooling a small bedroom, an office, or even your RV, we've got options that suit every space and budget. We've done the research so you don't have to. And trust me, these picks are worth checking out. And just a heads up, if you see something you like, all the product links are down in the description below for your convenience. Now let's jump in and cool things down. 5. Bol F22. The 4-in-1 portable air cooler is an all-in-one solution for staying cool and comfortable during hot days. Combining the functions of a cooling fan, humidifier, air conditioner, and 7-color LED nightlight, it delivers powerful and refreshing airflow thanks to a high-performance motor and unique air duct design. With 4 adjustable wind speeds, soft, medium, high, strong, and 2 spray modes, low, high, you can customize your cooling experience to suit your needs. Operating at an ultra-quiet 35 dB, it's ideal for undisturbed sleep and features a 2-4-6-hour timer with automatic shutoff for added safety. The 1,500 milliliter water tank supports up to 12 hours of continuous cooling with a removable design for easy refills and cleaning, especially effective when used with ice cubes. Compact and USB powered, this portable air conditioner is perfect for use at home, the office, or on the go in RVs, tents, and outdoor settings. 4. Pafu MF01. Stay cool and comfortable wherever you are with our feature-packed portable air conditioner. Designed for instant relief, it offers 3 fan speeds and 3 spray modes to suit your cooling needs, from a gentle breeze to a strong chill. The extra-large 1,100 milliliter 39-aughts water tank provides up to 10 hours of uninterrupted cooling, so you can relax without the hassle of frequent refills. Enjoy effortless control with the included remote from up to 16.4 feet away, and experience whisper-quiet operation under 55 dB, perfect for work, rest, or sleep. Set the mood with 7 ambient light options and drift off peacefully with the built-in sleep timer. Weighing only 3 pounds and powered via USB, this compact and portable cooler is ideal for your home, office, or even on the go. Your personal oasis is just a button away. 3. JUBEL Sigh 31. Stay cool and comfortable all summer with this 1,000 milliliter water tank air conditioner fan, designed with safety, versatility, and convenience in mind. Its unique 4-in-1 design functions as a mini air conditioner, fan, humidifier, and nightlight, making it a must-have personal cooling solution for hot days. The large 1,000 milliliter water tank is easy to fill with water or ice and simple to clean, providing lasting refreshment without the hassle. With no exposed blades, it's completely safe for children and pets. Enjoy full control with the remote and manual shutter adjustment, choosing from 3 wind speeds and spray modes to create your ideal climate. Powered via a Type-C charging port with included cable and adapter, it's ready for use anywhere. Just ensure a 2A current for best performance. Designed to be ultra-quiet, it won't disrupt sleep or work, and its compact size and portable handle make it easy to move between your desk, nightstand, or any small space. The built-in nightlight and 2-4-8-hour timer add convenience and comfort for nighttime use. Please note, this product is designed for personal use only and does not cool entire rooms. Backed by our 100% service guarantee, we're here to ensure you're fully satisfied with your purchase. 2. NPOK F6. Stay cool and comfortable all summer long with our multifunctional air conditioner, designed for versatile use and ultimate convenience. Choose between natural wind mode for a gentle breeze without water or cooling mode by adding water or ice cubes for an instant refreshing chill. Equipped with 2 powerful misters, this unit doubles the cooling effect, perfect for hot days. The 1,500 milliliter large capacity water tank provides continuous operation for 6 to 8 hours, and when it runs dry, it automatically switches to natural wind mode. No interruption, no hassle. Easily control your comfort with both a simple panel and remote control, so you can adjust settings without leaving your seat. Enjoy a relaxing ambiance with 10 colorful RGB lights and rest easy with the 1/3 6-hour timer. Even on high speed, it runs quietly under 55 decibels. Plus, we're committed to quality customer service. If you have any questions or issues, we're here to help every step of the way. Tar 1. VIDYHILL ET08. The VIDYHILL Evaporative Air Cooler is a versatile 3-in-1 device that functions as a fan, air cooler, and humidifier, all in one sleek, compact unit. Use the fan mode for a refreshing breeze without water, switch to cooler mode by adding water and ice for enhanced cooling, or activate the humidifier to relieve dryness with cold mist. Designed for convenience, it features a 1,000 milliliter top fill water tank with a visual level indicator, ensuring continuous performance and easy maintenance. Enjoy effortless operation with both touch panel controls and a remote control that works up to 16.5 feet away. A built-in 7-color nightlight adds ambiance and charm, while the ultra-quiet operation, below 40 dB, and 248H timer make it perfect for restful sleep or focused work. Whether you're cooling down, adding moisture to the air, or just enjoying the glow, the VIDYHILL air cooler brings comfort and convenience to any room. Thanks for watching our roundup of the top 5 best portable air conditioners. We hope this helped you find the perfect unit to keep your space cool and comfortable. If you saw something you liked, all the product links are conveniently listed in the description below, so be sure to check those out. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful, subscribe for more top tech reviews, and drop a comment telling us which AC caught your eye. Stay cool, and we'll see you in the next one.